Welcome to CSS Day 8. Today you will learn another powerful more than CSS layout, that's CSS Grid. CSS Grid creates a grid system with row and columns. You can use these to combine the row, column together, full page layout, dashboard, galleries, complex responsive design, and many more. Let's just start, but at the end we'll be able to design just such as this card grid layout and also this simple dashboard you are seeing here on the screen. Let's just start with this output of this HTML code. You can see we have three divs in this parent div called the container. We are going to target this container to be able to design our three divs inside here. We just jump back on this container style CSS. We just type display grid and grid templates columns. We just give it 2 pixels, mean 3 terms, mean those 3 divs. Yes, then I just want to also to apply some background color so that you can see how they look, which is this one. And after this, this template column actually defines number of column. If maybe you make it like 4 here, and let me just give it this class, this what ID of none, and I just change this to 4. You can see that now this one is not actually affected by this. But if I also type 200 pixels, it can also be here or included here on in line. Let's just delete it because we can only use those 3 ones. And we also have this which were the same, 1 FR, 1 FR, and 1 FR. So you can see that they also work just the same. This FR, let me just do this bit. Yes, this FR means fraction, and all 3 columns are equal. Then let's have another example of this. Only try to double this second box, like just this. You can see that this one is small. First is small, the second is twice larger of this. Means this third one is not tagged. Let's just add some gap, type gap, then 20 pixels. You can see how it looks, twice of this. Then let's see how we can use also grid row. We just type rows. You can see still this one is big. It's bigger than the first one. Even the third one, though, is not also tagged here, but we can just also give it FR, then FR. You can see this row are also affected and they are the same, but we can also use this, or we can also use two. So we just want to use 1 pixels, 200 pixels, and 100 pixels. That's it. You can see how you can make one big, or small according to how you want to make it. Let's use repeat function, which is also a clean way. It helps loads just for time. We just come back here, we say column, then what we do here, we just remove this, then we type repeat. After repeat, we type 3 comma 1fr. You can see that actually is the same as exactly this 1fr, 1fr, 1fr. They're the same. That's it. I just want to say that to make this grid responsive, also it is also another powerful technique. That's what I was trying to say. But I also want to show you how you can just make it very well. Well, what we do here, we just remove this, then we just let me use this. I go down a bit, then I also type repeat auto fit comma min marks, and we open this type 250 pixels comma 1fr or 1 fraction. Now you can also see how responsive it is. You can see that's it here. Then after this, you can be able to design, maybe arranging how your things you want them to be. So let's just jump to our last our project, which is this one. This is what we're going to design. We have this card, but we're going to use this one here. So I just come here, I open cards. This is yes, yes, this is HTML, and I just want to open this to CSS. Here we have container also, which I host all these 4 cards as you can see them here. Let's just jump into CSS. Then this container is the one we are going to get to target right now. We type display, then we just give it grid, of course, that's how it has to be. Then we also call this grid template columns, and we use the other function of repeat or repeat function, use 2 comma 1 fr. Yes, you can see how now it has become. Then what we remain do is undo to this is gap, just length of 20 pixels. That's how our grid system or our grid cards layout looks. Very wonderful. Let's jump in on this simple dashboard. Just close this again and come back on this. Yes, then I close again this. We also here have another class called dashboard. This is the parent of the sidebar and even this content class. As you can see, we just jump on here. This is the design just we have given to it. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to also to display grid. Then I also put grid this template column. Then I just give it 50 pixels and 1 fr. Yep. Now if we come here, you can see how it looks. They are both looks wow. That's it, guys. Actually, what we have done, we have just see how we can make we can use design grid system our system, our website, our everything actually according to how you want design, which is great. So thank you very much. If you find it very useful, please subscribe as the support. Thank you. See you.